Blueprint Solutions is pleased to announce the release of the new online patient payment feature, also known as Text to Pay. Easily text or email a link to your patient so they can conveniently pay their invoices online anytime. With the online payment feature, you can give your patients a convenient and secure way to pay their bills, show them how considerate you are of their time and preferences, deliver a personalized experience, eliminate paper, and collect outstanding balances quickly and easily. Not only do you provide your patients with a convenient, secure, and simple way to pay, you save time, as incoming payments will be automatically applied against corresponding invoices directly in your Blueprint OMS, eliminating any double entry or extra work on your part. It's a win-win for you and your patients. Let's take a look. Open a patient record and navigate to the patient's sales history screen. When you right-click on an open invoice, you'll see an option to request online payment. Once selected, you'll be able to choose if you'd like to send the payment request to the patient via text, email, or to their alternate contact via text or email. The alternate contact's information will show if they're flagged as the primary contact for the patient. Optionally, click into the destination field if you want to do a one-time entry of a mobile phone number or an email address to issue the payment link to. Customize your default wording for the text or email, or personalize the payment request on the fly. Once the payment request is sent, you'll receive an on-screen confirmation. When you send the request via text, the patient will immediately receive a message on their phone. Upon clicking the link in the text, the patient is taken to a super user-friendly page branded with your logo and clinic information, where they can adjust the payment amount, enter credit card information, and pay their bills 24/7. Security issues are the biggest concern for consumers now when making payments, so giving your patients an option to pay through a secured gateway where the patient is the only one seeing credit card information offers the safest and most secure method available. Once the patient submits payment, they'll receive a confirmation on the screen, they'll receive a confirmation text, and they can optionally view an updated invoice. It's 100% mobile because customers can make their payment anywhere, anytime on any smartphone. It's a full self-service process between you and your patient. Back in the patient sales history screen, you'll see the online payment automatically appear and be applied against the correct invoice. No additional work on your part. Payment requests can also be sent via email. Let's quickly create a new sale. And click the Request Online Payment button at the bottom of the invoice screen. Or navigate to the patient sales history screen, right-click on the open sale, Request Online Payment, and select an email address to send the payment link to. Optionally customize your message and click Send. The patient receives a customized email with your clinic logo and information. The patient lands on a secured URL where they can enter their payment information. Once payment information is submitted, the patient receives a confirmation page and can optionally view an updated invoice. The payment is automatically recorded in Blueprint OMS, applied against the correct invoice, and visible on your financial and performance reports. What's more, whenever a payment is made online by one of your patients, you can receive an email notification at your desired destination. We hope you find the new online payment feature efficient for both you and your patients. Please contact us with any questions or to get started today.